How to use Lather from OneBlade. To charge the battery, plug the power supply into the back of the Lather. A blinking green LED will indicate that it is charging. As the battery continues to charge, more of the LEDs will light up. A single green LED will remain on to indicate a fully charged battery, and that charging has automatically stopped. To check battery level while not plugged in, press the power button on the top briefly. A few LEDs will illuminate green, showing current battery level. All 10 fully lit means a full battery. To load a Lather solution pod, first remove the cap, then pull off the stopper. Keep the stopper and cap for storage or travel purposes. Next, carefully insert the pod into the bottom of the Lather, pressing slowly to avoid spilling. Then, turn clockwise 90 degrees until it clicks into place. To turn on the Lather, press and hold the power button 3 seconds or until the first LED turns red. Wait for all 10 LEDs to turn red, or about 90 seconds. Once all 10 are red, you're ready to shave. To dispense hot lather, press and hold the button just above the nozzle. The lather will be hottest directly under the nozzle. For slightly cooler temperature, catch the lather lower from the nozzle opening. For hottest possible lather, hold your hand just below the nozzle, but careful not to scald your hand. Apply hot lather and shave as normal. To turn off the lather, press and hold the power button until all LEDs are green and start to turn off counterclockwise. The lather will automatically shut off after 3 minutes of no activity. For best results, about once a week, remove and clean the front nozzle. Pull firmly on the bottom of the front nozzle cap until it pops off. Then twist the red nozzle counterclockwise 20 degrees until it stops. Then pull straight out. Rinse this nozzle under warm water, both the front and back filters until debris is removed. Reassemble the nozzle and front cap. To clear out heavier clogs, allow the nozzle to soak in a solution of 1 part white vinegar and 3 parts water for 12 hours. If clogs persist, find the included brush on the underside of the lather to clean the 3 openings behind the valve module. First, use the hook on the bottom of the brush handle to pull the valve module out. Once removed, use the brush to clean the 3 openings behind the valve module. All 3 should be clear. Replace the valve module, the nozzle, and the front cap. From time to time, the nozzle might need to be replaced by purchasing online at OneBladeShave.com. Refill lather pods can also be purchased at OneBladeShave.com. For troubleshooting or more information, please reach out to support@OneBladeShave.com.